Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is LOVELIJA here, and obviously I'm here with another video. Okay, today's look is supposed to be on this beautiful, like, I guess it came out like burgundy and green. Like, I don't know, I'm just feeling the flavors. Okay, like, I love it. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you continue watching. But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like my video, and make sure you hit the notification bell and stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm going to be taking my Tatcha Silk Canvas Base Primer and go ahead and prime my eyes. I did this trick in like my last video and my eyeshadow came out really pretty. So yeah, this may be my new thing. Taking the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take this shade and use it as a transition shade and place that in my crease. Taking this Real Techniques Taper Blending Brush. Okay, so now that we have the transition shade in place, I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors palette and take this shade right here. It's like a berry tone shade, and place that in the crease as well. Just, you know, adding some dimension. Comment down below like what your goals were for 2019. Some of the goals that I have chosen to do is like be more consistent on my channel and, you know, try to, you know, at least get 100 subscribers every month if I can, hopefully. So I gotta put out content for that. And, you know, just try. My one thing really, I'm trying to kill procrastination. Like, that is a big defeat I have in my life, is procrastination. Like, I don't know why I'm such a huge procrastinator, but I am such a huge procrastinator. Like, it's really deadly. Okay, so I think I want to add some brown because this is going to be like a halo eye. So I think I want to add some brown to add some more dimension. You're probably thinking like, oh, why didn't you add that first? I don't know. I think I have something cooking up here. Taking this brush right here, I'm going to tap into this shade right here and go ahead and place that in the inner corner and outer corner. Ooh, see, this is coming out really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, cut my crease a little bit using these two essentials. So I'm just going to speed that up. Okay, so I have, you know, my halo cut out. Do not judge me, okay? Like, I'm still, you know, practice makes perfect. I'm going to use my NYX mixing medium and place that on top of where I cut out my crease. Okay, I'm taking my Morphe brush. This is my Morphe N197 brush, and dipping into the Dose of Colors palette, I'm taking this green right here. It's called Dirty Money. I love this green, like, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna take my tapered blending brush and just use the same shades I used to get these shades right here, this color right here. Just to contour, just to clean it up just a bit. I'm just taking a clean brush and just diffusing the harsh lines. Love this, like, I don't know, I feel very wealthy, yeah, with this, like, I don't know, it's just giving me some type of vibe. I'm just gonna speed through my makeup process really quick, so alright, so I'm back with my face done. Actually, I'm not finished with my whole entire face. I need to add blush and highlight, but I just want to go ahead and do the under eye really quick. So dipping back into the Dose of Colors palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and put that underneath my waterline. I'm just going to diffuse that a little bit. Do I want to add inner corner highlight? That's the real question. I'm going to take this gold color right here and place that in my inner corner. Okay, so I have that done. I love how this came out. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I know, I keep getting off camera. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and come back all glammed up, and I'll see you in the future. Okay, for highlight, I'm taking my Trophy Wipe highlighter by Fenty Beauty. This highlighter, I dropped it and it has been in shambles ever since. Like, I'm really heartbroken, to be honest. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Does that here and there. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot. I didn't mean to do all that. I think I want to add it in my inner corner too. I just think it would like add like a pop. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm taking my NYX blush in Double Dare. Yeah. I'm just gonna put on some mascara using the same duo, my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Alright, so I have my mascara on, and now I'm about to do my favorite lip combo. I figured that I love this combo in my last video, so if you haven't seen my last video, make sure you watch it. And I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses Brown Lip Liner. Now I'm taking my NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is in Teddy. I'm taking my MAC lip gloss from the Nicki Minaj collection. This is the name Please Me. Alright, so this is the finished look. I am low-key obsessed, okay? I like how it came out. This is something different. It was supposed to be a halo eye, but I feel like the green just got all over the lid, so it is what it is. But it is cute. That's what it is. Cool. If you guys like this video as much as I enjoyed creating the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to make sure you're notified of oops. And I will see you in my next video.